my workshop crane in my lorry, which is a mobile workshop, and so can roll it all the way down this beam, and then you got the hoist, and that blue purple thing's called a trolley, and you've got a wheel on the back, so that to counter that, when you pull that down, that wheel, which is 0.5 millimeter away from the girder, engages, and its lifting capacity is that. Maybe at some point I might motorise it left and right for fun. The design was totally my own go, and the only thing I've got to do is pull this vertical and put bolts through, and the same on that side. But I'm thinking of having a electric winch attached at 2 points coming into a triangle, and then the rope of the winch that goes, and having the winch on the back up there, so that from a remote be able to press a button and this whole carriage will go all the way to one end, and have a winch back on the other side. But that would mean I have to do some trick electronics. Well, say trick. Basically, when you press pull, the other one release button presses, and the opposite. But this is my first attempt at building a hoist. This came from one of them that I cut in half, so it wasn't part of this at all. This I bought separately. I bought that separately, and the hoist separate. Took a long time to paint it, and it still needs another coat. You can see through it. I haven't sanded between coats because it's just a machine, and the bolting is because you can't weld this metal for some strange reason. I've tried, and you can see the weld behind was terrible, but it wasn't ever supposed to be that it was going to be welded properly. It was always going to have a big bolt going through the middle of these 12mm bent steel. That was only supposed to just hold it in alignment, so that when I drilled through it, the bolt went through and it all aligned easily afterwards. But it was spitting the welder big time. It does not like that steel, whatever that steel is. But there you go. It will. The supports, there is going to be one more in the corner and one more at the end, and the ceiling, there's going to be 4 more going down the ceiling, or 5 more, and they all get welded at the top. They'll all be welded to the frame, creating it so that it's strong. It's strong from that point, and it's also from sidewards, and behind these, they're L-shaped, and they go in 2 inches behind and sit on an aluminium beam which supports the whole lorry. And then this side, the door has got a lot more aluminium there, and so it had to be a different way, and that is it.